Focus. Focus. So today we're gonna be doing something different. I'm not gonna do a face paint for like a character. I'm just gonna paint myself wintry. I wanna do a winter wonderland look today. So keep watching. If you like it, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. First things first, I'm the realist. I'm gonna pick up dark blue and a little bit of black because I'm gonna make my face into a sky. So we're gonna start with blue, lots of blue, and black. And, ooh, that's nice. Good color, folks. But we need a little bit more blue. I forgot primer. I painted my eyeball. I painted inside my eyeball. I repeat, the inside of my eyeball is painted. I want to add more black into the top. Oh yeah, that's better, way better. I want to try and cover absolutely every inch of my face. With the brush, my skin was peeking through. I don't want that. Sticker in the blue. I'll blend the two together by tapping on the middle line. I'm gonna bring it up. This sponge is a little too wet. Just gonna dry it off. Pick up some more blue. I'm gonna go over my eyelids. Gonna bring the blue down, the darker blue down just a little bit. I have two different shades of blue. So here we have black, here we have dark blue, here we have a light blue. Down here we're gonna go for a very, very, very light blue. Now with my lightest blue, I'm going to mix the blue that I have on my neck and just bring it down to about here. We are back a little bit later and I'm going to be using cream paint to be creating stars on my head because a cream paint will go over the water-based paint a little bit easier than if I were to do white water-based paint because the paints would just mix together. Anyways, Lego. Is there any paint left in here? This is the paint that I used for my brother on Halloween because I made him into Kratos, the god of war, question mark. Yeah, so I had to cover his whole body with it. Anyways, that was stressful. So I'm going to start off with a 6-point star on my forehead, and then I'm going to do little dots all around. But to create the dots, I'm going to be using the back of the paintbrush for a more defined look. hard to paint the star when you're blocking your eyeball. So at my paint nights that I host, I always tell people, if you're semi-happy with something, don't touch it or else you're just gonna make it worse. I should be taking my own advice right now, but I'm gonna keep going and ruining this star. Okay, it's fine, it's good, it's great. Now, little stars, we're using the back of the paintbrush, dip it in the white, which I have on my hand, and poke it on my face. The more dots you do, the smaller they get, so I like to use all the last bit of paint on the brush. I think I want this part a little bit lighter, so I'm gonna go in with a lighter blue. I am done with all the blue on the face. On the sides of the water, I'm going to be creating trees. So I'm going to get the finest brush I have, dip it in black paint. I'm going to just draw lines where I want the trees to be located, and then we'll go from there. So I want some taller, some shorter, because if you look at a forest, not all the trees are the same length. A slightly bigger brush, I am going to be creating the tree leaves. So dipping it into the black, I'm just going to tap my body. As we know, trees are smaller at the top, so I'm not even going to touch the top of the line that I drew with paint. I'm going to be leaving air in between the leaves because then it'll just look like a big blob. We don't want that. Be careful with how much water you use because it might just drip down your body. Okay, so now with the cream paint, I'm going to go over all the trees to make it look like the snow is on top. And using the same brush with a little bit of blue and a little bit of black, we're going to be creating like a shadow from the tree right underneath it. Here is the final look. I'm a winter wonderland. If you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.